Today, I'm testing the most viral chin chin recipe on Instagram to see if it's actually good. I saw that this recipe broke the internet with 5.6 million views. And so I just knew that I had to try it and let you know if you should even spend your time and your money making this recipe or not. So here is the reel.
Still my bok chin chin recipe this festive season. It is so easy to put together, no eggs and no over kneading. To a big bowl, add in 3 kg flour, 2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder and nutmeg powder, and 500 grams of butter and mix. Then go in with 5 cups liquid milk and 2 teaspoons vanilla flavor. Mix and knead everything till well combined and cover for 15 minutes to relax its gluten. After 15 minutes, roll on a floured surface in batches. Cut to your preferred size and fry on medium to high heat till light golden brown and keep in a strainer to cool. Now that you have your soft, milky, crunchy chin chin, just keep drinks in your fridge and your visitor ready this festive season. Let me know if you give this a try in the comment section.
Welcome back to my kitchen dreamer. Let's begin to make our chin chin recipe now, beginning with flour.
The lady in the reel made her chin chin in bulk, but I'm only making a smaller amount just for me and my family. So I'll be reducing the measurement of the ingredients. Here, I'm using 3 cups of flour. For my sweet tooth, I'm adding sugar. In goes the baking powder and nutmeg. Next, some butter. Now, I'll mix them up with clean hands. If you're enjoying this video, you will love my delicious chocolate cake that is so easy to bake with only 3 ingredients. You can grab the free chocolate cake cookbook in the description box below. Alright, back to this chin chin. After mixing, I feel like the texture is a bit crumbly. Just like she did in the viral reel, I'll add in milk and flavor. I'll mix and finesse by covering the chin chin. I am no chef, but I have to say that this chin chin is easy to make. I was even able to cut it into nice square pieces that I am so proud of. Oh, so cute. I'm frying the chin chin over medium heat. They fried for 3 to 4 minutes, and as you can see, they are a gorgeous brown color. And the aroma, gosh, the aroma is enticing. It's making me want to even eat it already. Oh my god. Now, take a look at this perfection. But will it pass the taste test?
The moment of truth that we both have been waiting for is finally here. The chin chin looks so delicious as you can see, but does it taste delicious? That is the key. So let's find out. My mom taught me not to speak when I'm eating, but we're going to break her rule right now. I feel like it tastes really, really crunchy. The milky taste I'm getting is absolutely sublime and it's just perfect. That's what I can say. It's perfect. You definitely should try this recipe. If I had to rate it, I would rate it a solid 9 out of 10. It's that good. So if you want a recipe to this, it's going to be in the description box below. So try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments section. All right. If you love chocolate cake, then grab my free chocolate cake recipe ebook in the description box below. It's very moist, very decadent, and just sweet. You are going to enjoy it, okay? Grab that in the description box below. Give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'm going to see you in my next one. Okay, bye.